Flying fish are remarkable creatures that have fascinated humans for centuries. Here are some fascinating facts about these extraordinary fish. Flying fish belong to the Exocoetidae family, which includes about 64 species. They have a streamlined body, large pectoral fins, and a deeply forked tail, which together allow them to glide through the air with impressive agility. These fish are unique among fish species for their ability to glide through the air. They achieve this feat by building up speed underwater, breaking the surface, and spreading their large pectoral fins, which act like real wings. Once airborne, they can glide for considerable distances, sometimes reaching speeds of over 35 miles per hour. That's amazing! Flying fish primarily use their airborne abilities as a means of escaping predators. By gliding above the water surface, they avoid being caught by predators such as larger fish, dolphins, and seabirds. Additionally, these fish can use their aerial excursions to cover great distances during migrations or while searching for food. It's pure strategy and survival. These fascinating fish are found in oceans around the world, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. They are most commonly observed in the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans, where warm waters provide ideal conditions for their survival. Flying fish are omnivorous, feeding on a variety of plankton, small crustaceans, and other marine organisms. It's a true feast for these little masters of flight. The reproduction of these fish occurs through external fertilization, where females release eggs into the water and males release sperm to fertilize them. After fertilization, the eggs develop into larvae, which eventually grow into juvenile flying fish. Reproduction usually occurs in warm tropical waters. It's the cycle of life in full action. Despite their aerial abilities, flying fish face numerous predators both above and below the water surface. In addition to avoiding larger fish and marine mammals, they need to escape from seabirds, such as gulls and terns, which are extremely skilled at catching them in the air. It's a constant battle for survival. The time these fish can remain airborne varies depending on factors such as speed, wind conditions, and the angle of takeoff. Some species can glide for hundreds of meters, while others are known to stay in the air for up to 30 seconds at a time. It's a truly impressive performance. Different species of flying fish exhibit variations in size, coloration, and fin shape. Some have longer, more slender bodies, while others are more compact and robust. These variations reflect adaptations to different environmental conditions and ecological niches. Each species is unique and adapts to its environment in surprising ways. Flying fish hold significant cultural importance in various societies around the world. In regions where they are abundant, such as the Caribbean and Southeast Asia, they play an important role in local cuisine and folklore. Additionally, these fish inspire artistic representations and have become symbols of freedom and adventure. They are more than just fish. They are cultural icons and sources of inspiration. These flying fish are absolutely remarkable creatures with unique adaptations that allow them to glide through the air with grace and agility. From their distinctive anatomy to their ecological importance, these fascinating fish continue to captivate and inspire people around the world. It's impossible not to marvel at them.